Moving on to Cloudflare. So the bullish green count seems to be what's playing out here. I still have Cloudflare in this larger corrective pattern. It's A, B, C, there's A wave, and this really complex B wave. When you see this overlapping mess of a pattern, it's typically a fourth wave or a B wave. And this is a very extreme overlapping mess of a pattern. So this would be what we have left is this is basically an A wave, B wave, and a C wave. And I have this pushing up into the 93 to potentially 113 level. Does it have to go that high? No, it doesn't. This could be all you get. But what I'm looking for is same with every other chart. 5 waves down or 3 waves down. If we get 5 waves down, then whatever bounce you get after that is where you want to de-risk. If it's 3 waves down, we're going to add to that, and we'll take the remaining push higher into Q1, which would take us up into this target zone right here. So anyway, so far Cloudflare has negated the downside setup. So it would need a new one in order to kind of get going. So my point being is either we're going to de-risk in our target zone up here, or when we get 5 down, 3 up, that's where we'd probably de-risk. But so far, it's looking like it's playing out. It's looking good, like it's going to go higher.